Okay, so now we're going to we're going to graph parabolas not using the XY table but by transformation because we already know how they will behave. Okay, so we can just use the transformation. So here we're asked to graph using transformation, describe each and graph each transformation and make a summary. That is your instruction. Okay, so we are going to graph y equals x minus 4 squared. So we're not going to do our table. We just know that the parent graph will translate 4 units to the right. Okay, let's just put a bullet here because later on we're going to mix our transformation. Translate 4 units. Always write it completely this way. Don't be lazy. To the right. Okay, so that is our transformation, 4 units to the right. So we're just going to get our red pen. That's our final graph. So I will just translate the vertex. You know the point of your parent graph, I hope you know, is 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9. And then we just use symmetry on the other side. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9. So if I move the vertex 4 units to the right, everything else will follow. So as if I'm drawing the parent graph here. So I'm going to say 0, 0, although this is not 0, 0, but that is my origin. 1, 1, 2. I'm not going to count 4 units to the right. You can do that too, okay? But that takes a long time. So what I do is I just draw it here. So 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's the same thing. You see, you move 4 units to the right. And then by symmetry, I'm going to put my other points. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is my new parabola that is translated 4 units to the right. I hope you also now know how to make your graph a little bit smoother. Okay, don't use a ruler. It has to be curved. Okay, like that. And put arrowheads. Without arrowheads, your graph is not correct. Okay, and of course, don't forget to write your line of symmetry on your final graph in red. Those who are taking the test on May 18, the week of May 18, be sure you know that. And then you are asked to make a summary. Okay, I'm only going to do the summary here. I'm only going to discuss it here. The rest, okay, you can just see it in the transcript. So first, we will write our vertex is the lowest point. Vertex is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. And then our line of symmetry, we shortcut it at LOS. Line of symmetry is the line 4. X equals 4. Okay? And then we will write our x-intercept. You can see it. It's 4, 0. We have to do our y-intercept. You cannot see it here. Okay, so either you graph it again or you can just use algebra. Okay, how do you find the y-intercept? In the line, you make x 0, right? Okay, when x is 0, what is the y-intercept? So in the line, y equals x minus 4. Here in the given, x minus 4. Okay, let's write it. X minus 4, 0. X minus 4 squared, we will make y 0. So that will be 0 minus 4 squared. That will be 16. So the point 0, 16, we're going to hit our y-axis. 0, 16 is our y-intercept. And then domain is always all real numbers. Range will depend on your graph. In this case, it's 0 to positive infinity. Okay, so that is how you find your summary. Okay, let's go to the next. x plus 5 squared. Okay, so you're just going to move this, the parent graph will move 5 units to the left. Can you do that? And I'll see you on the next video. Do the summary also.